Hello friends, thank you so much for tuning in. Friends, I'm going to do reading today for people who are in no contact. This will be reading for people in separation. Okay, it's a general reading and we will do reading for current feelings of your person. So this is going to be group 1 and this is group 2. Okay, so if you are in no contact, then this reading is for you. This is general reading, so it may resonate, may not resonate with each and everyone out there. Alright, so let's start our reading with the group 1. Alright, okay, so group 1. Okay, the card is opportunity. Alright, let us see what messages do we have for group 1. Current feelings of your person. Okay, current feelings of your person, group 1. You could be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or this could be your energy. Energies can be vice versa. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sag as well, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, air signs, fire sign. Okay, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio as well. Six of Swords at the bottom of deck. Alright, just give me a minute. Alright, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio as well. Okay, and okay, I do see that your relationship, it was fated. Okay, you were meant to meet this person in this lifetime. Okay, you were destined to meet this person in this lifetime. Okay, and for some of you, this person could be in and out of your life. For some of you, this was a very short relationship, short-term relationship. Okay, and you okay, this could be your energy or your person's energy. Okay, you are very much hurt, or your person is extremely hurt, is having extremely sleepless nights, is thinking about you. Okay, or you are thinking about this person all the time, or in the beginning the relationship was very good, very beautiful, there was a passion, equal give and take, extremely, the relationship was extremely good, but because of some reasons there is no contact. For some of you, there is a third party involvement for sure, or this person, he does have two choices. Okay, or this could be your energy, you are having two choices, you have to choose between two people. Okay, you might be stuck in the past and you are getting new opportunity, you are not looking at the new opportunity. Okay, this is for some of you, because opportunity card is also there, and this is showing that juggling between two things, two people, or two things. So could be your energy or your person's energy. All right, some addiction issues are definitely there, alcoholic problem for some of you. Your person is obsessed over something, some kind of addictions, obsessions, or this person might be obsessed over you, or this could be your energy, or might be dealing with Capricorn as well. You're waiting for something, or your person might be at distance from you, or he's waiting for something. Okay, okay, this could be your energy, that now you are moving on, and some of you have decided to move on from this person. Okay, but part of you is still holding on this person. You're not given up 100%. Okay, part of you is still holding on to this person. You are not ready to move on. Okay, and but you are trying. Okay, part of you has part of you is telling you to move on. You know what is good for you, but still you're juggling. Okay, you could be Gemini. Okay, and let us see if they will contact you. Your person is juggling between two things. He's definitely hurt and he's thinking about you. He does have lots of love for you, but he's juggling in two people, I think so. Okay, he's passionate about you as well. You could be dealing with Leo. Okay, for some of you there will be definitely a contact. Your person will definitely give you there will be definitely some kind of contact. For some of you, you will get stable offer from this person. Some of you, they want a family with you, and for some of you, they will gather courage to move forward with someone else with a good opportunity and stability. Okay, for some of you, here are two cases. Okay, yes, definitely family is card, happiness, family. For some people, they will get new opportunities, stable offers. Okay, and for some of you, there is a chances of reconciliation. This person will contact you and give you stable offer. Okay, there will be some kind of contact from this person. Okay, let us see what messages do we have for group 1. It is safe for you to love. Okay, so as I said, there is a new opportunity as well. So if there are some bad relationships in the past, definitely good relationship will be there. It's not like everyone is a bad person, right? So you will get good person in your life as well. So you can see if there are any better opportunities, you can definitely go for it. Pay attention to red flags. Okay, so definitely there are red flags, so pay attention to that red flags. If your person is ignoring you, if your person is with the third party, you have to pay attention to that red flags. Okay, or if there is someone or someone is telling something to your person and then that's affecting your relationship, right? Maybe any of the family member or their friends, they're saying something and then that's affecting your love life. Okay, see, new love is there. For some of you, opportunity card is also there, so definitely new opportunities are on the way. So it's up to you if you want to go with the same person or with the new one. Anyways, you are going to get new relationship, so either with the same person or with the new person. New beginning is definitely there. Okay, so this is very positive for group 1. Okay, perfect timing and wait. So these two cards came. Communicate clearly. So you have to communicate clearly if there are some kind of misunderstanding, so please consider them. Communicate clearly, convey your message to your person clearly without any misunderstanding. Okay, and when perfect timing will come, it will unfold naturally and you will get best results that you want. Okay, but you have to wait for some time. See, both the cards are together, wait and perfect time, so have some patience. Okay, so friends, this was a reading for group 1. I hope you like it. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for tuning in. And I'll do collective messages as well. This will be for both the groups. So I request you to please see that as well. Okay. So thank you so much for tuning in. Take care and bye-bye. I'll see you in my next video. So group 2. Hey group 2, let us see what messages do we have for you. Okay, so people who have chosen group 2, it's a passion card. Okay, allow your heart and soul to sing with the joy. So definitely there is a passion between you and your person. Your person is definitely passionate for you. All right, so let us see what messages do we have for people who have chosen group 2. current feelings of your person for group 2. Current feelings. Okay, you could be dealing with Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Leo. Okay, this could be your energy or your person's energy. Okay, you could be dealing with Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Alright, your person is definitely hurt over this situation. It could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This could be a spiritual relationship for some of you. Extremely passionate, loving, caring, amazing, fulfilling. Okay, emotionally fulfilling. Could be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sag. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius is also there. Aries, Leo, Sag. Alright. So, 10 of Swords at the bottom of deck. Alright. So, I think this person is watching you from far. Okay. For some of you, yes, there is a juggle between two people, between two choices. Your person is juggling in two choices. Okay. Yes, you are extremely hurt over the situation, or your person is extremely hurt over the situation, having sleepless nights, overthinking, depression, getting depressed over the situation. Okay. This could be you or your person who's having two choices. Okay, he is juggling between two people, two choices. This could be another person, or career, finances, or job, or something. Health issues could be there. Okay, your person is feeling neglected, or you could be feeling this neglected by this person, ignorance. But there was lots of struggle, changes in between you and this, conflicts. Okay, and he wanted to offer you his cup of love, having family with you. He used to look at you as his wish fulfillment. Okay, but the third party entered, and it was like juggle between two people, and there were lots of conflicts. But your person is definitely passionate about you. See, passion card is definitely there. So your person is definitely passionate about you. So let us see. Okay, now so many of you they are thinking to move on from this situation. You're planning to move on with someone else. This could be the case that you have some choices and you are planning to move on with someone else with new love. Okay, this could be your energy or your person's energy, that you're moving on, or you want to move on. You're so much fed up of this thing that you're no more ready to put any efforts in this relationship. You're so tired now. Yes, there is definitely no communication at all. But this person cut communication. He just ran away from your life without saying anything, without any closure. He just closed off. But now he does want to message you or call you. He is having lots of burden. Okay, he's thinking about this too. He's overthinking about it. Okay, this person is passionate about you, and definitely there will be some kind of message from this person. Might not be like heart-to-heart conversation or loving message, but I feel that he will contact you. There will be some kind of contact for group 2. Yes, this person will, this could be a twin flame. This is my twin flame card. So could offer you, for some of you there might be offer of marriage or higher commitment for some of you. Okay, and the situation was like you offered your cup of love to this person and your person is giving his attention to somewhere else. He is not paying attention to you, or you are having choices, you are not paying attention to the offer you are getting, you are focusing on your ex or something else. Okay, someone else. Let us see if they will contact you. For group 2, I feel they will contact you. Yes, definitely there will be balance. They will contact you. Definitely good communication, heart-to-heart conversation. And yes, this person will contact you immediately, like when you least expect, that time things happen. Okay, so it's that kind of thing. Currently this person might be focusing on himself or his career, his money, his materialistic things, anything. Okay, or learning new skills so that it can help him in the future, that kind of thing. Okay, but I do see that there will be quick communication. Okay, so for some of you this person could be in and out of your life. For some of you I feel so. So this was reading. I think this person will definitely contact you. Codependency issues are there, that's why your relationship is affecting. Getting to know each other and love yourself first. Okay, you are not loving yourself first. How will you love someone else if you don't love yourself? How will you offer your cup of love to someone else when your cup of love is empty? Right, so you have to love yourself first. Okay, and for some of you this person is at a distance from you, or he's far from you, maybe physical distance, emotional distance. Okay, maybe some other country or some other state, or not close to you. Okay, emotional distance or physical distance. And ask your angels, and in the near future meditation brings answers. Okay, your angels are giving signs. You have to look for a sign. Okay, and recovery. For some of you there is definitely health issue is there, and when this health issue will improve, there will be some kind of contact. Okay, you have to look for a sign and do meditation, and meditations will definitely bring you answers. In the near future there will be definitely contact from your person. So this is also positive for group 2. So friends, I hope you like this reading, and let me just get some channel messages from your person to you. Okay, let us see what messages do we have. Winter season for first message. I'm sorry, I know I did wrong. Your person is blaming you. I, me and myself, and extremely selfish. This is for someone who is selfish. Okay, because they are just thinking about themselves now. I know it's already too late. So think twice. Okay, before taking any decision you have to think twice, not now. Okay, and still need time. And your person is saying thank you for everything. And options, your person, he does have options for some of you and don't know how to come forward. Your person, he doesn't know how to come forward. Finances needs to improve. Okay, and don't give up before finishing line. So I won't accept my mistake, though I know I was wrong. I still need time. So here it's kind of ego. This person is having ego. I chose someone else over you. friends and family. So this is for some of you that your person, he already chose someone else, maybe because of family and friends, they interfere. So I had to make a choice. I chose not to choose you, but I loved you. Okay, this is also for someone, your person already made a choice to choose someone else, but he loved you. All right, surrender to the universe. Okay, when we cannot control particular things, we try to give 100%, but then also when we can't do anything, that time what we can do is to just surrender to God, surrender to universe, and we can just pray to God that please give me what is best for me. Okay, and what I deserve and what is best for me, please let me get it. Okay, so we can pray, right? Let go of the situation. So soul contract. So this could be soul contract. When perfect timing will come, when perfect time will come, it will be like situation will unfold naturally. All right, I regret, your person is regretting, I don't know how to come forward and tell you the truth. So definitely there is some kind of truth that is hidden and he doesn't know how to come forward. Opportunities are on the way. Keep an open mind and open heart. So for some of you, as I said, there is a new opportunity, so you can keep an open mind. Okay, believe in yourself, and everything happens for a reason. You might not understand why this happened, but as time will pass, you will understand why did it happen. Okay, positive thoughts and positive thinking. Be positive. Okay, and have patience. So I think these are the messages for today, collected messages for all the two groups. I hope you like it. So it was a general reading, so definitely it's not going to resonate with each and everyone, but collective messages are also for not for each and everyone, but yes, at least one message is for everyone that you need to hear now. Okay, so I think I hope you like it. Okay, if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in. Okay, take care and bye bye. I'll see you in my next video.